morning, second day in Norfolk. We're spending the day in Cromer, which is another seaside town in Norfolk. What I'm really looking forward to today is a walk on a pier. Are you looking forward to walking on a pier? I can't remember last time I walked on a pier.
I can see the sea. I can see the
Yeah! There's the pier. Found the pier. This hotel is directly opposite the pier. It's quite an impressive building. Very impressive hotel. The other amazing thing about this hotel is that Stephen Fry works here in his younger days. Yay! Found ourselves another rainbow, Norfolk. We are rainbow chasers. You see? Oh, the light's working on the lighthouse as well. See it revolving round. Cromer's way back over there in the distance. That's where we've got to walk back to. I think we're going to walk along the coast to get there again. Right, what have we got here then? Cromer.
Famous crab.
We just say we've never tried this before. No, he's supposed to be going, Oh, come on, let's try some. Here we go.
This tastes like fish.
Well, if it tastes like fish. Tastes like cold fish. Delicious.
Is it just off-putting because you know what it is?
I think I've got a blooming good idea what it is.
Go on.
What?
What does that taste like? Looks horrible.
Tastes like,
Does it taste any better?
well, I presume it tastes like crab. Cold fish. That is the best crab I have ever eaten. It's the only crab I've ever eaten, other than crab paste.
That's true.
This is no more worse than eating cod.
I know, but I like cod.
So that tastes more like cod, the same texture. But as you say, that is more like
Paste.
crab paste that you have in your sandwiches. Here goes nothing. Definitely.
Well,
I think I prefer it on a sandwich. And what's for pudding?
I think this tastes nicer than crab.
The blue ribbon.